I don't know, hopefully my camera angle's a bit better this time, but yeah, you can't park there, Zach. You can't park there. Yeah, he's loving it. His wing's a wee bit bent. We'll go over and have a wee look at his car, but he was fair enjoying himself. Fair enjoying himself. I'm enjoying myself. The car's actually working, which is impressive and amazing. It almost makes me want to keep driving it, amazingly, because I was starting to lose the will to live a wee bit. What have you got to say?
Oops.
I know, eh?
Will he stop putting dents on his car?
The damage isn't too bad. It's not too bad,
No,
you know, it's expected. It's a competition car. Zach does SDC as well as me, so he's going to expect some dents, especially after denting mine last round. Not that it was his fault.
Nobody's ever driven that close to me before.
Nah, good lad. What are you, 16? Yep. 16-year-old. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Get my old trusty S-Wing out. Hi, Matthew. Okay, bye, Matthew. Oh, look at that! Panel beater.
Didn't even chip it.
Absolute panel beater, man. Honestly, if you need any bits done on your car or that, ask somebody else. That's
Oh,
it's a bit hot, aye.
and your ignition on, keep your fan on. That's where it feels on your thing. Did I just loads a little bit?
Must have been, aye. Oops.
Fan's not working.
Oh, it's not working?
That's what the problem is.
Oh, that'll be what the problem is. Well, might need to buy a new tail light, but I'm quite impressed that there's not that much damage.
Right?
Yeah, my fan's not turning on. Need to have a look at that now. So we'd got a bit hot, fan wasn't working. Turns out that one of my butt connections had shorted out against the radiator and obviously stopped the fan from working, so it's been fixed, currently bleeding, and yeah, we'll get back out there and see what happens. That was fast. I don't think I've driven this car that fast. Whew. That was intense. Ah, shame it got so hot though. We'll leave it running, we'll head back out very shortly. That was class. And this thing's quick. Oh, really quick. Well, back down to my workshop, dumped the car off, emptied the trailer, most of the wheels out my, well, all the wheels out my car. Not that car, that car. But nah, I had a good day. I can't believe that it actually lasted a whole day without giving me much issues. Obviously the overheating, I've got a wee idea for that. Yeah, I'm still a bit, don't know. It's been a long time since I've had a full drift day in this car. But I hope you enjoy the footage, and I will see you soon to do probably more E46 stuff for the Scottish Drift Championship round 2. I'm a bit hesitant with using the Volvo for SDC because it's been a bit touch and go, as you will know, with constantly braking, giving me hassle, blowing up, setting on fire. So yeah, just going to use the BM because it's trusty and it works. I've got a clutch kit for that. I need to do the boot floor, a couple of other things. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one.